This is the video and audio quality of the Sony XZ Premium at arm's length. This is the video and audio quality of the Sony XZ Premium at around 2 meters distance using its one and only main back camera. And blimey, this is the video and audio quality of the Sony XZ Premium at around 6 to 4 meters distance. If you are wondering if your Sony XZ Premium is going to get the Android 10 update, click the link up here and I'll tell you. Okay, so this is a test of stabilization and contrast on the Sony Xperia XZ Premium using its selfie cam, and that means we're only recording in 1080p. But that is what you get. What you want to look out for here, of course, is the stabilization. How well do you think it stabilizes? I'm holding this in one hand as I want to have control of my footage when I'm outdoor vlogging. Right now I'm in this very lit condition in the sunlight where I'm going into a tunnel. And what I want to look out for into the tunnel is how well does it put some light on my face without blowing up the background? Does it even do it? I can see it actually has picked up my face, but it prioritizes to still keep the background in some balance until now. So that's kind of a Anyhow, this is the selfie cam when you're outdoors vlogging on the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. Okay, so this is a test of dynamic range and contrast on the Sony Xperia XZ Premium, and we're using the back cam 4K 30 frames per second. What you want to look out for is how fast does it change to these changing light environments, how fast does it do it, and how well does it represent all the colors. Greta is in the somewhat darker situation and the grass is even darker, and then we have the sun coming directly upon us from there. And if you're wondering about all the batting, it's some sort of tennis match going on in there. Okay, so this is a test of stabilization on the back camera of the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. And it has gyro electronic image stabilization. And I'm walking with this camera phone now in two hands, handheld. And this is the kind of stabilization that you get. Right, as I can tell, it's a bit stuttering actually when I move it to the sides. But again, might be something else on the computer screen. That's up to you to decide. This is the evening shot on the Sony Xperia XZ Premium, and I only got 3 light sources in this room. I got that one, I got this one, and I got this one, which is always the tricky one, because how fast does it compensate for my face moving in and out of the picture, and does it give my face some light, and does it fast focus to the lamp when I'm out of focus? That's up to you to decide, but we're shooting with the selfie cam and it's full HD. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy Vlogger's Delight.